Sometimes I can't help myself but tanungin yung sarili ko, if worth it pa ba gawing lahat ng to? Like, what's the point? Worth it pa ba? What if hindi ko na makayanan? What if I will break down? What if di makayanan ng katawan ko? What if something happened? But what else can we do? We need to move forward. We shouldn't let these things na pigilan tayo makamit yung mga gusto natin. And alam ko na may mga dreams na hindi na makakamit. May mga pangarap na hindi na natin maaabot. But we still need to continue. What else can we do? Kasi baka dadating yung time na nasa deathbed na tayo, or if we're a point in a life na we can't anymore. At least masasabi natin sa sarili natin for the last time that at least ginawa natin. At least I pushed through. At least I tried. And ginawa ko yung makakaya ko. And wala akong regrets. And I tried my best. I think yun yung pinaka-importante dun. And na maganda yung connection sa sarili mo. At hindi ka na-give up sa sarili mo. At least you've tried kahit sa hirap ng pinagdadaanan mo. That's why I keep going and still push through. You can do it.